Climb inside the 2013 Ram 1500. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.